Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password to your Rockstar Games account. So if you've been using a certain password but don't feel enough secure about it, this is what you can do to change it. So first of all, go to your web browser and make sure that you've already typed in www.rockstargames.com and have already signed into your account. Now, in order to change your password, as you land on your profile page, you can see that on the top right corner, there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. When you tap on the profile icon, you can see an option that says settings. Click on it. When you tap on settings, you can see the information related to your account, and there you have an option that says password. Tap on password and tap on edit. After you do that, you can now enter your current password here. So I'm just going to enter my current password. And then you can also type in your new password here that you'd like to change to. So here, I'm just going to type in my new password and then retype the new password in order to change it. And then tap on Save Changes. Now in this way, my password to Rockstar Games has now been changed. So this is a very simple method by means of which you can change your password. I hope this video has been useful to you.